Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down how to send money from the USA to the UK in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying for studies abroad, or handling business transactions, I'll walk you through the simplest and most cost-effective methods. Let's dive right in. First, the classic option is a bank wire transfer. If you bank with giants like Chase or Bank of America, you can initiate a transfer online or in person. It's secure and reliable, but be prepared for fees, typically $30 to $50 per transaction, plus potential exchange rate markups. In 2025, with digital advancements, this method is still solid for larger amounts, but it's not the fastest. Now, let's talk about the game changers, apps and services like Wise, formerly TransferWise. These platforms use the real-time exchange rate, cutting out hidden fees. To get started, download the app, link your US bank account, enter the recipient's UK details, and confirm the transfer. It often arrives in minutes for a fraction of the cost. Think under $10 for most amounts. Plus, it's super user-friendly for first-timers. Another popular choice is PayPal. If both you and the recipient have accounts, it's as easy as logging in and sending funds. Fees are around 2 to 4% for international transfers, and it's ideal for smaller, quick payments. Services like Revolut or Remitly are also worth checking out. They offer competitive rates, fast delivery, and features like multi-currency wallets. Before you hit send, always compare exchange rates on tools like Z.com or Google Finance to avoid surprises. Also, keep an eye on regulations. Post-Brexit rules might affect transfers, so double-check for any taxes or limits. For security, enable two-factor authentication and stick to reputable services to protect your money from scams. In wrapping up, sending money from the USA to the UK in 2025 is straightforward with the right tools. Focus on speed, fees, and safety. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.